Howdy! In this video, I am going to show you how to deal with this dialog box that says close programs to prevent information loss. Your computer is low on memory, etc. Right? So what's happening here is your computer doesn't have enough memory to do the tasks that you've asked it to, and it's giving you the option down here to either close the program, which in this case would be Toon Boom Harmony Premium, or to hit cancel, in which case, because you're low on memory, almost anything can happen, right? Instability, your software's not going to work properly, things aren't going to get done nicely, etc. So what we want to do is prevent this from coming up at all anymore, right? So the first thing you're going to want to do before we take the additional steps that I'm going to show you is go ahead and close the program. Maybe save actually any files that you have open in it before you close it. That would be a good idea. But ultimately you want to close or cancel and restart your computer so that you're in a cleaner memory state, right? Hopefully this isn't happening every time you start your computer, right? So you've had this dialog box, close it or cancel, save whatever you have to do, restart your computer, and then take the steps that I'm about to show you. Okay, so now the computer has been rebooted, and this being Windows 10, what we're going to do is we're going to right click on the start button, which brings up this menu that has all kinds of interesting and useful links here. And we want to go to System, right up here, fourth from the top on my system. And we'll get this window that comes up. Now you can check here. It'll be useful information. We have 8 GB of RAM on this system. Whatever you have is an important number because we want to use a multiple of that a little bit later. So check how much RAM you have, and then click on Advanced System Settings. Okay, and you get this System Properties window that comes up. And under Advanced, right, which will be the tab opened if you had clicked there, you'll see under Performance, visual effects, processor, scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. Virtual memory is what we're after here. So we're going to click on the settings button. Okay, and we'll get this window here. Now, one thing, a little bit unrelated to exactly what we're dealing with, is you probably already have let Windows choose what's best for my computer selected here, which in most cases has all of these checked off. For performance sake on this system, I uncheck everything except smooth edges of screen fonts and show thumbnails instead of icons. Just a little bit more optimized for video. You'll lose some of the peak and other features of Windows 10 display, but things will run a bit faster for you. But what we're really in here for is clicking on the Advanced tab, okay, and going to the virtual memory area. So this is where your paging file is created, right? And right now I have a 4 gig paging file, and we're going to click on Change. Okay, so now this window comes up, and we can see here that on drive C I have currently set 4 gig to 8 gig, right? The custom size. Now on your system, you may have a checkbox here that says automatically manage paging file size for all drives. So you're going to want to uncheck that, okay? And what we're going to do is we have that 8 GB number from earlier, so we want 3 times that number. So 1 GB is actually 1024 megabytes, right? So you're going to take 1024 and you're going to multiply that by 3 times the amount of RAM that you have. So that would be 24 in my case. So the total number that I want to put here is 24,576. Okay, and I will just echo that down here. So I'm not going to actually put a smaller and then a larger size. I'm just going to put it right to the max. Okay, 24,576 once again. So that's 3 times your RAM. Okay, now you got to make sure that you have that much room available, right? Which we do have significantly more than that available on drive C here. So we're fine for that. And then you're going to want to click the set button. Oh, okay, this is where I've made a mistake. I'm so used to putting commas into these things. No commas, folks. And we will click on set again. And you'll see that up here, it shows the new value. We're going to click OK. All right, click OK again. Click OK once more. Okay. And then you're going to want to restart your system. So you can right click on your start button and go ahead and click restart. When your computer restarts, the new page file size will be put into effect, and all things being normal, you should no longer be getting that memory warning popping up in Windows 10. Hopefully this helps you out. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.